All right, we are about to do our first hive inspection. We put these guys in their boxes about a week and a half ago, and now we're gonna open the top, see how things are going, see if they're growing the way they should be, looking for eggs, making sure the queen's healthy, and hopefully we don't get stung in the process. So let's go. We got our smoker going, so we're gonna start off by put a little smoke on these guys. Just to calm them down a little bit. Or to anger them a little bit. Alright. Well, that top is a little bit sticky right out of the gate, so because this is new to us, we gotta learn how to pry this bad boy off. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Well, there we go.
Very good.
So they are starting to build up a little burr comb across the top here. That's not exactly what we wanted to see. But that's alright. We're going to start off by looking at our new frames that we put in. See how those are doing. See, Titus has this handy dandy little frame grabbing tool. And I think it's time we break that thing in, Titus. Alright.
That's a lot.
So this is one of our newer frames we put in. They are starting to build on it a little bit, which is good to see. Not a lot of activity on this, but it is an outside frame and they are on it, so that's a good thing. As we look, we're looking for a queen. I don't see her on this, but it is good to see they are working on that. So let's lay that one back in there. And we'll move on to the next one here. Watch out, ladies. Actually, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. All right, well.
Is that one stuck to
That was a little bit stuck. Well, that's all right. We can unstuck it. Maybe. I'm gonna move this frame out just a little bit. There we go. We will get better at this as we go on, but since this is our first one,
that one has a lot on it.
this has a lot on it. Alright, so what we're looking at for number one, the queen. We happen to see her floating around. Oh, there she is, bottom left. Bottom left.
This one?
Yep, is that her? Yep, that's her. So
Wait,
she's
which one?
She just went on to the other side. So she's looking good. Looks like we have some capped brood.
Which one is she?
Where'd she go? I don't see her. She's snuck underneath. So we're looking for eggs. We're looking for larvae.
Is this her up here? She went into a pile of them.
She went into a pile of them.
If that was her.
Yeah, it's highly likely. Pretty sure that was her.
Am I sure?
So I'm pretty sure that was her.
What's this up here?
Well, that is capped honey right there. So we're looking for, oh, there's some larvae. That's good. So you see the larvae in here, Titus? It looks like tiny, that's capped brood. That's a lot of pollen.
What's this? Oh, this is pollen?
I tell you, the only thing I don't like right now,
What's this one doing right there?
that is checking out. Just look at all that pollen in there. You see all that?
Like that stuff on the mid left?
Yeah, all that
left.
orange in there? That's the
Yeah.
pollen they're bringing back. Tons of pollen. Looks really good. They're capping that stuff. The only thing I don't like is I'm not sure if that's a queen cell or not.
Which one?
Right here in the middle. Here, you see where my thumb is? Just above my thumb?
Yeah.
Get a good picture of that. I don't know if that's something to be worried about moving forward or not. That frame looks really good. So we're going to put that one back in
So that's
there.
all the pollen they've been bringing in?
Yeah, that's all the pollen they've been bringing in. Alright, so that looks pretty good there. That looks pretty good. Full of bees, full of activity. Really good.
Will the queen stay in the same frame?
Oh no, she moves around. This worked out pretty well. Let's smoke these guys. Get them down here a little bit. Get off there, guys and girls.
Isn't this queen in here a lot smaller
Well, she was smaller-ish.
than the other one?
Yeah. So what I'm going to try to do, we'll try to lift this up. Just a second. There we go.
Daisy, you good?
So here we go. Here's the next frame.
Wow.
Again, we're looking for little tiny pieces of rice in here. Oh, we got good larvae. Oh, yeah, really good larvae. So what larva is, Titus, is you'll see like little white things, like all through the middle. You see those little white things?
Yeah.
Those are baby bees that are trying
To hatch?
to develop. We got some nice honey on the far
You
right.
can see the pollen in that one. It's
Yep,
really
you see that honey on the far right? That looks
Yeah.
good. Let's check out this side. Everything looks good. A lot of pollen on there. Really a good looking frame there, I think. Good looking frame. Looks good. You know what? Watch out, ladies. Watch yourself. And of all things, I get bit by a fire ant checking out the bees. That's not what I wanted to happen. I tell you what I'm going to do next. I'm going to come to this far one of our newer ones. Uh-oh. Get out there, sister.
Did you kill her?
No, not yet. All right, here's one of our newer ones. Oh, this looks really good.
Oh my
One of our newer
gosh.
frames that they're building on.
Oh, that scared me.
What happened?
They just flew on my hand.
Oh no, they'll be fine.
For a second, I didn't know what it was, and I was like, wow.
See, they're building some nice honeycomb on that frame there, so it looks really good.
Look at that, dude. Try checking me out.
Alright. Try not to upset them too much. But these two frames are attached. That's not what we want. There we go. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh man, this thing's heavy.
That's a lot.
Heavy, heavy.
There's some honey in there. Capped honey. Right?
Yep, this is very healthy here. Looks like we got capped honey everywhere. I'm looking for some more. There's some more larvae. There's some pollen. Make sure we saw that queen. I don't see her over here anywhere. Do you?
No.
I don't see a queen. Make sure she's not on this side. Nice and capped.
Wow, there's a big lot of them up in that
A
corner.
lot of them.
This one right there and there has a lot that I
Yep.
haven't got yet.
Yep. Alright. Now, I'll be real honest with you, Titus. I don't know if we need to keep checking them out.
They look pretty good.
Or as good as they're looking here. I'm going to smoke them a little bit just to get them calm. I don't want them to freak out too much. And watch out, girls. Watch out, girls. Look at this one, Titus. You get nice pollen in there. Bees are active and all over it.
Oh my gosh, they're on my phone.
Oh yeah, they will be. A lot of activity. Looks really good. A lot of good-looking bees in there.
You want all the frames?
That is. All the frames. They're starting to get a little agitated, it looks like. I'll tell you. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put them back where they were. Push this guy over just a little bit. Oh, you hear that hum, don't you?
Yeah.
Overall, though, Titus, these are very calm hive. I mean, we're down here messing with them, and they're not too overly worried about us. So, I think everything looks good. We got larvae, we got pollen, we got all sorts of stuff going on. And I believe we did see a queen floating around. If that wasn't her, we know she's in there. I'm going to scrape some of this wax off the top just to try to give that back to them here.
Dad.
What?
Whenever this video is done, let's say when you're watching or whatever, and explain it.
Yeah, we can always edit it too.
Ow!
Want to get you?
He's in me.
Well,
In my shirt.
be the tree, Titus. He's not going to sting you.
I can feel him. He didn't sting me, but I can feel it.
All right, so we're just going to slide this bad boy back on. That's right, I got fire ant bites on my legs. You slide it, try not to maim any of them. call that good. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Get out of there.
They're all over your suit.
Bee brush. All right. Well, what we saw some frames that were being built on with some new wax. We saw some larvae. We saw a queen. We didn't see any eggs because we just didn't look that closely. But overall, I think that was a good hive inspection. Did you get stung? Nobody got stung. So we're going to call that a win-win for everybody today. Until next time, thanks for watching.